Is your scientific or mathematical software crashing because of the Libisl.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Before diving into the libisl technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This DLL file is a library for manipulating sets and relations of integer points bounded by linear constraints. It is primarily used by advanced compilers, like GCC, to perform loop optimizations for PC software. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. The libisl.dll is a third-party application file associated with your scientific or mathematical software. Performing a clean reinstall of the latest version of your scientific or mathematical software will restore the correct version of this file. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the libisl file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video, or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Replacing the libisl without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. To improve configuration awareness, the official maintenance resource linked below includes the libisl-related documentation. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved the libisl workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.